Hi friends, I am Paranidharan. Today we are going to see about properties of soil, and the first is soil texture. Soil texture mainly depends on the relative size of the soil particles. We know that the soil particles are produced as a result of weathering of rocks. The smaller particles that are smooth are termed clay. The intermediate particles that are neither very rough nor too smooth are termed silt. The bigger coarse soil particles are termed sand. And the next type is gravel. So it's very big than the sand. So see the comparison between these four particles of soil. So a mixture of soil particles and humus from the soil. The soil also has living organisms like bacteria, roots of plants, and earthworms. On the basis of soil texture, it is classified into three types. They are sandy soil, loamy soil, and clayey soil. So let us see about them in detail. Sandy soils, they have soil particles that are bigger in size. So the large spaces between them are filled with air. Therefore, they are well aerated. So the water can't be retained in these types of soil and drain out quickly from them through the spaces present between them. So, sandy soil needs more frequent irrigation for successful growth of crops. Clayey soils have a higher proportion of fine and smooth soil particles. There is a very little space between the soil particles compared to sandy soil. Such soil cannot retain air, however, clayey soils can retain more air than sandy soils. So, this high water holding capacity can cause problems like the water will log inside the fields, so it will also be tough for irrigation. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay particles. It can hold both water and air equally. Loamy soil has humus also. It is considered to be the best soil for irrigation and growth of crops. Thanks everyone for listening to this patiently. Finally, let's go to the question and answer session. So, in the starting, I said that there are these three types of solid particles that are sand, clay, and silt. But I said another particle, so which is very big than sand. So can anyone name that? What is the type of soil which is very useful for irrigation and growth of crops? Name the three types of soil.